Social media connects us like never before, but at what cost? From anxiety and depression to self-esteem issues and sleep deprivation, many experts warn that too much social media could be harming our mental health. But is it really that bad? In this video, we'll uncover the science behind social media and mental health, how platforms are designed to keep you hooked, the psychological effects of constant scrolling, how to use social media in a healthier way. Before we dive in, this video is not medical advice. If you're struggling with mental health issues, please consult a licensed mental health professional. The psychology of social media. Why we're hooked. Social media isn't just an app. It's designed to keep you engaged for as long as possible. Platforms like Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook use algorithms that exploit the brain's dopamine system, making social media as addictive as gambling. Likes and notifications. Every like, comment, or share releases dopamine, the same chemical linked to pleasure and addiction. Endless scrolling. The infinite scroll never stops, keeping you engaged for hours. Fear of missing out. Seeing others' perfect lives can make you feel like you're falling behind. It's not just habit, it's brain chemistry at work. How social media affects mental health. While social media has its benefits, it also comes with serious mental health risks. Number 1 is increased anxiety and depression. Studies show excessive social media use is linked to higher rates of anxiety and depression. Number 2, sleep disruption. The blue light from screens disrupts melatonin, making it harder to fall asleep. Number 3, comparison trap. Seeing curated, perfect lives online leads to low self-esteem and unrealistic expectations. And last one is cyberbullying and toxicity. Online harassment can be mentally and emotionally draining. Over time, this constant exposure can lead to chronic stress and poor mental health. Social media and self-esteem. The comparison game. Ever felt worse about yourself after scrolling through Instagram? You're not alone. Filters and Photoshop create unrealistic beauty standards, making users feel insecure. Influencer culture showcases only the highlights, making real life feel inadequate. Many people rely on likes and comments for self-worth. But here's the truth. Social media is a highlight reel, not reality. How to use social media in a healthy way. So, does this mean you should quit social media entirely? Not necessarily. Instead, here's how to create a healthier relationship with social media. Set time limits. Use apps like screen time or digital well-being to limit usage. Curate your feed. Unfollow toxic accounts and follow pages that uplift and educate. Turn off notifications. Reduce distractions and regain control of your attention. Take social media breaks. A digital detox can refresh your mind. Engage in real-life activities. Spend time outside, reading, or with loved ones. By making small changes, you can enjoy social media without letting it control you. Social media is a powerful tool, but it's important to use it wisely. While it can connect us, it can also hurt our mental health if not used in moderation. Remember, you are more than your online presence. Take care of your mental well-being first. If this video helped, hit the subscribe button for more content on mental health and